sturgeon. Cheers. Welcome back to another video. We're going to be sleeping or stealth camping this Tesla right here. We have a spot picked out, foreshadow of what we're gonna do. Park in the middle of the street, and hopefully I can stay the night there. But first off, we have to get something to eat. We're gonna eat it in here. I'm pretty sure Whole Foods has a selection of caviar, so we're gonna go Whole Foods right now. It looks like there is caviar here. There's American white sturgeon, the cheapest option, the white sturgeon. So I think I'm gonna get some like crackers to go along with this. I'm just not gonna eat it by itself. Mattress right here. Blankets. We got the pillow right here. So that is what the setup looks like. All right, so we got everything blocked out. Time to try on camp mode. On the light first. Pull up the chairs. Camp mode. Climate control. Camp mode. We're gonna do what we came here to do, which was eat this caviar. See if I can pull up this chair a little bit more. So I'm actually parked right outside of my friend's house. We just finished opening Pokemon cards. I'll spend the night here in front of his house without him knowing. He does have a spare room, but camping out in front of his house instead. So we got the sturgeon caviar. That is what it looks like. Fish eggs. And how many grams is this? 28 grams. 28 grams of sturgeon caviar. We are eating that with a few things. And by a few, I mean two things. Chili flake and olive oil crisps, crackers, savor, and share. Adding some black truffle sauce on there as well. Not really sure what this is, but we'll try it. I did grab a spoon from the grocery store for free. And we got a couple of napkins right here. Whew, they smell funky. Like a crispier version of the ear crisp. Not that much flavoring to them. Regular crackers. Tastes a tiny bit of chili in there, but it smells more pungent than it actually is. Black truffle sauce. Yeah, you can smell that for sure. Yeah. Ooh, oily. We're gonna try just the truffle sauce with the crackers. Here goes. Cracker in hand. That's definitely a lot more than I needed. Here goes. Cheers. But it's truffle. That was good, it's savory. Let me show you my view real quick. See that campfire? That's what I'm talking about. Back to the main event. So now, the caviar. Oh. Oh, wow. Now, I've never had caviar before, so I figured what better way to do it than while stealth camping. I'm gonna taste test it. Oh, wow. Surprisingly, I actually kind of like it a lot more than I thought I would, which I'm kind of ashamed of. Very salty fish balls. I thought it was sort of just like eating like gold, you know? It's cool because it's expensive, but this is actually pretty good. Last one. All right, just one more, because I can't have enough. Thumbnail time. All right, so let's put all this away, clean up, and then let's head. And now let's get ready for bed. Ooh, comfy. Everything changes. Do not be surprised at how quickly things get good. And worry and disappointment over and over and over again. It's different this time. You are remembering that you are the creator of your reality. You can and will continue to choose the thoughts of empowerment, of success, of abundance, of peace, of joy, and love, of whatever it is you desire. And knowing this is when everything changes for the better. Good night. Time to go to sleep.